Hi, today I'm part of the Motorola Moto G72 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere App on this device. So first we should get Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search we'll enter Ampere. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, let's tap to open the app, click yes to agree, pick close, tap to OK, and here we can see information about battery temperature. In my case, that's the 34 degrees. Also, we can find here more info like the battery level, capacity, health, model, Android version, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.